Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accomplish IAS means determination, dedication, destination. First of all, I would like to thank my friends, those who supported us in our initiative. As we are discussing the current affair on the map base or one word of the current affair. Today in this session we will discuss such following places or topic. So let's discuss. Before discussing, please stop the video and answer these questions in the comment section, and answer of this question will be provided at the last of the slide of the presentation. Please look at these three questions are related to last video section. Let's start. Recently, scorpion fish is found in the Gulf of Mannar, and which is a stinging venomous spine, and its scientific name is Scorpanspis neglecta. It is founded by CMFRI, which full form is Central Marine Fisheries Research Initiative, and it is under the body of Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries. This is I'm not mentioning in the slide, but it is important from the UPSC point of view. Okay, let's discuss first of all let's discuss first where is the Gulf of Mannar. So we have to find out the Gulf of Mannar, Lakkadiv Sea. Okay, Lakkadiv Sea, and just at there is Gulf of Mannar. Okay, UPSC may ask you to arrange this in north to south direction, south to north direction. Okay, Palk Bay and Palk Strait. Sometimes they confuse that Gulf of Mannar is in the Bay of Bengal. So please try and confuse with the Lakkadiv Sea. Answer will be Lakkadiv Sea. Okay, let's move to the next topic. I attached this slide with the presentation which describes the Palk Strait, Palk Bay, Adam Bridge and Gulf of Mannar in the map location. UPSC, again I am repeated, UPSC may ask to arrange these things in north to south direction, or any state exam may ask. Okay, as Gulf of Mannar is Lakkadiv Sea. Next, Ebola is outbreak in the Mambatka city of DRC, means Democratic Republic country, Democratic Republic of Congo. And first of all, I want to tell you that Mambatka is not lie on the line of the equator. Is just 4 kilometers above the line of the equator. Okay, so UPSC may confuse with that line of the equator pass from the Mambatka. No, it is just 4 kilometers above the line of equator. Next thing important, we have to discuss the neighboring countries of DRC. Okay, look at the map. This is DRC. Okay, and somewhere is there Mambatka. Okay, I want to tell you that Ebola is also a one river of DRC. Okay, Ebola is also a river of DRC. Let's go. A neighboring country in clockwise direction. First, Central African Republic country, South Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania, Zambia, Angola. All capital are mentioned here. Okay, just read. I know it is difficult to learn, but just read. We will repeat this thing again and we will learn easily. Republic of the Congo. Okay, these are our neighboring country of DRC with respect to India in the west. Okay, our next topic is Antifa. So recently large scale violence has been shown in USA, mainly in city Minneapolis city of Minnesota state, on the racial discrimination. And at the peak this violence because of Trump, when Donald Trump said to take strict action against Antifa, which is far leftist extremist. So question is, what is Antifa? Simply, Antifa is regarded as a militant left-wing anti-fascist political activist movement in the US, and they believe in violence rather than policy reform. And mainly they wear a black dress, as shown in I figure, Mainly they wear a black dress and often wear a black mask. Okay, so mainly Antifa is belongs to the USA. Next topic, Dapsang. So first of all, I want to tell you that Dapsang is in the region of India. India control Ladakh region. Okay, look at the map. I would like to tell you that this region is controlled by the India, Ladakh. Okay, and this region is controlled by the China and claimed by the India. And this region, green portion, is controlled by the Pak occupied Kashmir army by Pakistan and claimed by the India. Okay, Dapsang. Recently, there is a high tension between the Indian army and China army on the issue of demarcation. Whereas Dapsang is in the region of India, but recently pic shows that there is an army base camp of China in the Dapsang, which make a matter of concern. Okay, so Dapsang is a region of Ladakh in the north direction. Next topic is our Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary, India's first dolphins observatory coming in Bihar. So Gangetic dolphin is in IUCN Red List endangered and Wildlife Protection Act in the Schedule 1. So this is main. It is our also national aquatic animal found in the part of Ganges, Meghna, Brahmaputra river system in India. Look at the map. This is a Vikramshila gigantic dolphin sanctuary on the Ganga river and some tributary of Ganga river like Kosi, Gandak, Son, Girja, Betwa, Chambal, okay, Yamuna, Ghagra. Look at that map carefully. UPSC may ask tributary of Ganga north to south, east to west direction, west to east direction. Our next topic is China. China to set up a 1124 megawatt power project in Park under CPEC. So the name of this project is Kohala Hydropower on the Jhelum river, which is tributary of Indus, along with the Satluj, Ravi, Chenab, Beas in India, and also other tributary are Kabul River, Shok River, Jaskar, so many extra. So I mentioned here the source of this river: Indus River, Satluj River, Jhelum River, Chenab River, Beas River, and Ravi River. Look at the map. Simply I mentioned first their location in the second pick: Satluj, Beas, Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and in that I mentioned that first of both Satluj and Ravi have the same source: glacier of Kailash range and Mansarovar Rakkas. Look at that first and 2 point. Indus River, Lake Mansarovar; Satluj River, Mountain Kailash, Rakkas Lake. Second, Varinag. It is a source of look at that Jhelum. Okay, and fourth is Chenab River, which whose source is Baralachala. Okay, and fifth is Rotangla Beas River, and fifth and sixth is look at that Chamba. Okay, it is a source of Ravi River. Next topic. Recently, United Nations backed Libya government announces that it taking over the Tripoli, which is the capital of Libya, from the militias of Haftar. Okay, and also news was that the government force also attack on the eastern base army near Sirte city. So these three places are important from the map point of view. These are Libya, Tripoli, and Sirte. Look at the map. Look at Libya with respect to India. In the west direction, neighboring countries are Tunisia and Egypt, and coastal region Mediterranean Sea near the uh, Tripoli near the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, next topic. Recently, Russian president declared a state emergency after the tons of diesel spills in the Ambarnaya River. So it is also important from the UPSC point of view what is the effect of spills on the environment and water and their living habitats in the water. So Ambarnaya River is in flow in Russia, and also there is emergency measure announced within Russia Krasnoyarsk region, which is most populated Siberian Peninsula. So look at the map which I attach in the presentation. Kara Sea, Pyasina River, Yansi River, Daldiag River, Abarnia River. It is important from UPSC point of view all, because UPSC mainly asks from the last 2 or 3 years from the North Pole region in the UPSC exam, question from the North region. So this is the answer of the question which I asked before starting the discussion. So guys, please join us on this Telegram channel and support us. Thank you so much.